English language is one of the most important languages which is required currently in this current world. If you want to grow in your life, even if you want to get a job, or you want to go and speak to new clients and have a good conversation with new people, it's very important to learn English. And I keep getting a lot of messages in my social media saying how to improve my English, please help me. Even though I'm not an English teacher, but I thought I'll make this quick video on how few of the ways by which you can learn English for free sitting at home. So let's tune into today's topic. Most of the people are not so confident in their life because they feel they don't speak English, especially in this country, in India. I get messages saying that I don't know English. When I'm doing my webinars, please do it in Hindi. I don't understand it. I'm not feeling confident. My language is this barrier. I don't speak English, and that is why I feel I won't be able to be successful in my life. Yes, English is very, very, very important to learn. This language helps a lot if you want to grow, especially since the whole world has become global, one entity. It's very important to learn English, especially in terms of social media also. Now we interact with people so easily from across the globe. So it's very important to learn English, and today I'm going to tell you guys few of the ways by which you can improve your English language just sitting at home for free of cost. The only thing what it requires is your commitment to learn. That is very, very, very important, and your time. You have to make sure every single day you put in efforts to learn. But I'm telling you guys few of the ways by which you can improve your English. Number one, watch movies with subtitles, which is very, very easy to do, right? There are so many movies right now. You can go to Netflix and also watch series or whatever you do. Make sure you on the subtitlings and keep watching. Keep every day at least watch for 1 hour movies or series with English subtitling. This becomes easy because when you're watching with subtitles, not even you're watching the movie, but still you can read it side by side. Okay, if there's an option where you can slow down the video and watch, that'll be much better, because you can go through the pronunciation and see how the people are speaking in the videos, in movies and stuff. Okay, so it's one of the easy ways to watch movies. Start watching movies with English subtitles. Okay, second, travel to places where they speak English. It's very important. Okay, this is one of the tricks which you can do, is push yourself. Even if your English is not that good, if you just know the basic English, then go and travel to places where they speak more English. Or no, if you're in India, maybe you can travel to cities where they speak more English. Or you can go to other countries in the US or the UK, the Australia, wherever you feel like. Go there, travel for a month or so, live there with people, so that you're forced to speak in English. Okay, but still, when you're in place where everybody is speaking English around you, it becomes more easy to learn. Okay, or travel to even cities where a lot of people are speaking English these days than the regional language. So make sure you travel to places where people speak more English. Okay, that's 2. Number 3, this is very important, guys. Okay, number 3, change your inner dialogue to English. Okay, most of us we have this self talks. Everybody talks to yourself. Like even I talk to myself. Everybody has the inner self talks. But most of the time we have this inner dialogue in our regional language, in Hindi or Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, Marathi, whatever. We keep talking to ourselves in our local language. Make sure you change that to English. Okay, once you change that to English, it becomes easy to learn. You have this self-talk with yourself in English inside your mind rather than your regional language. Okay, this is a key which will help you to learn English faster. Okay, number 4, you all know that. Start the habit of reading books. It's very important. Reading books, reading newspapers, whatever you want, whatever in English. Have an habit every day for at least 30 minutes wherein you read 30 to 40 minutes or 1 hour every single day. Make sure you read books in English. Very, very, very important. Keep a dictionary by side if you don't understand some terms, so they can go through the dictionary and understand it. But make sure you make a habit. In the beginning it becomes tough, I know, but you have to keep pushing yourself. That is very important. Number 5, listen to podcasts and audiobooks. Okay, nowadays there are a lot of audiobooks coming out. You just don't have to read. You can listen to audiobooks. Okay, you can listen to podcasts, where a lot of people are doing podcasts these days. You can listen to English podcasts where people are continually speaking. This way, what you're doing, you're listening, you're reprogramming your mind. Okay, the more you listen to English, the more easy it becomes to learn. So keep listening to podcasts and audiobooks. It becomes very, very easy to learn English. Okay, number 6, Write every day in English. Have an habit of writing. Have a journal wherein you write every day. Even though your English language is not strong, even if it's basic, just write it. Okay, whatever you know, keep writing. The more you write, the more easy it becomes. Okay, make the habit of writing, which is very important. Every day, sit down and write at least one page of in English. Even though you don't know what to write, see another, take another book and see what is there written, and same thing you can copy it. And keep as you also write, keep reading what you're writing. Okay, this is one of the trick which you can do. This we all have learned, right, as kids. That is what we need to do. We just need to do the basic stuff. Okay, next, something called as a number 7, mirror techniques. Okay, this is something which most of them use, right? You have to stand in front of a mirror and start speaking to yourself. Okay, start speaking to yourself. Have a dialogue with yourself. Okay, some people are very shy to speak with some other people because they're not confident that English is good. Okay, start speaking with yourself. Stand in front of a mirror and start having a dialogue. Okay, this will help you slowly. You'll see where you're going wrong. You start to mirror yourself and you'll see where are you going wrong, how you can correct yourself and all this stuff. Okay, make this habit every day. Stand in the mirror and speak with yourself for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, next, number 8, make new friends in social media. Now social media has become just a click away to make new friends, right? Make sure you make new friends who speak English and who are good in speaking English, or from different countries. Start making new friends and start having a dialogue with them. Okay, tell them that, be open, tell them that I want to be friends with you because I want to learn English from you. Please, can you help me? There will be people to help you. Okay, there are people to help you. Okay, but you need to take the first step to ask them and send them a friend request and tell them that I'm so and so. I'm just making new friends because I want to learn English. That is why I'm making new friends, and it will be great if you can accept my friend request, and maybe we can get on a call anytime. Okay, so make new friends over social media who speak in English. Okay, volunteer. Number 9, volunteer at social events. It's very important. Whenever you have an opportunity to go and volunteer in events or wherever where they speak more English, any events wherein they speak more in English and have a conversation, go and volunteer. Even if it's for free, doesn't matter, but you learn meeting people, talking to them. Put yourself in uncomfortable situation where you have to speak in English. Even if it's limited English, doesn't matter. Over a period of time, you'll make the habit of learning. Okay, make sure you volunteer yourself in social events, on various events, wherever you feel you can go and volunteer, or put your time and energy there where people are conversating more in English. Do that. Okay, number 10, make use of YouTube. There are so many free YouTube English tutorials where you can learn, guys. There are millions and millions of videos where you can go and learn for free. Okay, make sure you subscribe to these YouTube channels and see every day. Dedicate a time for at least 30 minutes to watch these videos and keep making a note of everything, which is very important. You have to put your effort, guys. If you really want to learn, you have to put your effort. Now, everything doesn't come easy. Okay, it might take you a few months, but you have to be consistent every single day, right? Number 11, download some free apps on your mobile phone. There are so many free apps which you can download, which will teach you about vocabulary, about writing, about word, the meaning of it. There are so many free apps. You just go to Google and type free English apps. Okay, they'll get a lot of apps which will help you. Okay, go and do that right now. Download some apps which will help you learn English and pronunciation also. Number 12, the last one which I'm gonna tell you guys is play board games. Okay, play board games like crosswords and the different board games like Monopoly and all different kind of board games which is more in English. Okay, play board games which is in English rather than other languages. So very important. Play games online. Okay, also play games online where there is a speech and talk in English. Okay, that also is very fun way of learning. Play online games which is more in English. Okay, this will be very easy to learn because you're enjoying as well as learning. When you're in a happy state, you're always learning better. Understand this. The more happy you're feeling, the more better you're learning because you're in a good state of mind. If you're always sad, depressed, you can't learn. Okay, don't put yourself down. Make sure you're mentally strong. Tell that yes, I'm gonna do it. Tell us yes, I'm good at English. I'm gonna learn this. I'm a very hard worker. Tell all these things to yourself so that you make yourself mentally strong. Okay, and wish everybody all the best. Hope this video has got a lot of value to you. If you're really finding value out of my channel, my videos, please like, share and subscribe, and put in the comment section what did you learn from today. And yes, if you have anything, you can always get in touch with me through my social media. I'm there to help you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love you all. Take care. Goodbye.